Oh my god.
So, EmiJah, why aren't we cooking right now?
Because James is not here. James is late. He's always late. He's gonna be late for his children. He's gonna be late when his wife is gonna have babies.
What are you
He's not gonna be there.
What are you
I don't know.
No, man, stop it. You're gonna fall.
You see that? That's gonna be you.
James?
No.
Why do you have a dog?
I wish for love, happiness, and super women.
Camera's so long.
Manu, please stop. You're going to break it.
All right, I have it.
You're going to break it. Stop.
Hola and bienvenidos to Ratmaster Cookies Soul, the coolest cooking show of all time.
We're cooking some gui today, a Bolivian cuisine.
Hey, I don't think we're doing that.
Really?
Yeah, we're doing like a dessert or something.
I don't wanna.
But we don't have a guinea pig.
Fine.
Damn it, EmiJah.
Hola y bienvenidos to
Whatever the cringy name is. Me llamo Manu y él es Jaimecito.
Los Cameramen EmiJah y Tyler.
Today we are cooking a Suspiro Lemonado, a Brazilian dessert. I don't know.
First, we batimos, or we don't have a whisker. I was gonna go whisk, but
don't have a whisk.
Or whisk. Sweet condensed milk, evaporated milk y la extrado de vanilla.
Just say, Manu, how did you do that? Wait, we had to wait for the fire to be. Add more.
Manu, how did you do that?
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Alright, I think we got it.
Sorry about that. Our next step is to place the mix over medium-low heat and cook until the mixture is thickens. Thickens.
Thick. Doesn't matter. The stove is on. How are we gonna film it?
Because like we could like put it here, and then mine should be over there, and we just like.
He's filming it right now.
Okay, fine.
Oh, that's good. That's the good stuff right there. Not yet. There's nothing to whisk.
In the kitchen, whisk.
Oh, that looks like actually really good.
It looks like eggnog.
Oh yeah, drink that totally. All right, that the so we're using it. Oh, this one's weirder. Watch, you gotta get a shot of this.
Aw.
That's awesome, dude. It's
Oh
not
my
even
god.
mixing.
It's not mixing at all.
Who's mixing it?
It's like
Who is?
it's a heterogeneous
I am.
mixture. Yeah, you're the cook boy. Cook boy. Cook boy.
Cook boy.
Cook boy.
Shouldn't we be saying what we're putting in?
No.
Manu, why don't you say it?
All right, this
It's
is
condensed
milk. We added it to the sweetened condensed milk,
Evaporated milk.
evaporated milk,
What?
and now it's a homologous mixture.
Wait, it's
Homologous.
Definitely not homologous.
it's
Homozygous.
no, it's
It's a
it's
zygote.
heterozygous.
I don't remember what.
Because it's repellent. It's not
All right,
mixing
you got
together.
1 tablespoon.
This still has nothing to do with
That
Oh, this is
yeah,
gonna be-
it doesn't. We're just being stupid. Tyler, you should know this. You took that class last year.
Yeah, it's
Panama?
homogeneous versus heterogeneous. Oh, that looks like
coffee.
weird.
It looks like coffee. Oh my god, it's bubbling.
It looks like a
No!
It's bubbling. You see
It's
that?
bubbling.
Make sure it's focused.
It's focused.
All right, start whisking.
This actually smells really good.
All right, we're gonna
This
start
is the
whisking.
vanilla.
Does anyone know what this actually tastes like?
No.
It's supposed to be
really, really, really sweet. Like, I mean, come on, she's really What? Vanilla smells really good. What are you talking about? You're stupid. You know? Like, for not liking vanilla.
No, and like,
Yeah.
like you can literally just walk in. Like they don't even check your ticket.
When did you go there? No. Like 1 probably.
Alright, I think I'm good with
Viewers, we're doing a cup,
of
2 cups of confectioner's sugar. Which
you
is
mean powdered
gonna-
sugar?
It's confectioner's sugar.
You mean powdered sugar?
It's called confectioner's sugar.
Well, it's powdered sugar. That's what it is.
It smells delicious. It's sugar, dude. Yeah, it smells that. So, it's not done yet. We're gonna pick that back up. Jesus Christ.
So, we're... Oh, jeez.
Oh my god, Tyler.
Don't worry.
You are
You're supposed to do it
perfect.
over the sink so that if it spills, it spills.
You're perfect.
So, we're whipping the sugar and egg whites.
Whip it.
I have another cup.
Whip it good.
And...
Stay. Lay
Yeah.
down.
What are you...
Oh my god.
I might have just done a problem.
Do you not have a dog, Manu? You don't have a dog?
No, I have a parrot.
No.
Alright,
You are.
so there's all that.
I should have brought Monty here.
You should have.
Literally my dog, Sweetie Monty.
I'll keep him in the cage.
Oh, jeez.
Alright, can I start? I want to start.
It's already on, dude.
10.
Stop.
10.
Dude, please stop.
Alright.
Distracting the chef.
Record, alright.
Alright, guys. We're stirring.
For 30 minutes straight.
And it's a wooden spoon.
We also had to restart on our thing because we accidentally used eggs that will give us salmonella. So you're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not gonna kill you guys.
Hi, doggy.
Dog's messing with paper. I don't think that's a good idea.
No, that's fine.
We should keep that in the thing.
My
Tyler, I burned myself.
Trying to do a bit where the paper towel roll. Like
How do you zoom in?
With
this
this.
thing. Ruby,
How do you focus?
bring me the paper towel roll.
You should auto-focus.
Ruby, come. Rube.
Come on.
Ruby, you want a treat? Alright, we're gonna do 10 minutes each, okay? We're not filming you, James.
Oh, man.
You're not important. Stop. That touch. How long is it gonna take for the stuff to do, James?
4 hours.
Manu, how many years ago did that expire?
4 years ago.
Are you gonna die?
Probably not.
You're gonna poison the dog.
We take a break with video huevos. Wait, is that eggs? No, jugos.
Video
Huevos.
No, come on.
Why is it take?
Hey, wow.
Many unbearable hours later.
So the food is actually working this time. So, and over here, and you finish, and it's like just like gelatinous.
Now we're putting the cinnamon on top of everything.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna give at least one person diabetes.
Yeah.
Muy bien.
Yum.
You go do that. Then
Yummy, look at that. It's not
Take a bite.
focused. Focus, there you go.
Ah.
What are you talking about, dude?
It's not warm at all.
It's very
Yeah, but
cold.
new. They're gonna stay in the fridge for the rest of the night.
Now we're going.
Thank you for watching our Spanish video. I hope you like the food.
No, but we still have to get the part where they eat.